Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Opaglamz and I'm back with another tutorial, and this is a makeup tutorial, actually Ankara inspired makeup tutorial, guys. So what I'm doing now is just to slick my edges before I tie the Ankara, showing you guys how to tie the Ankara, which is very straightforward. Like guys, this Ankara is so beautiful, just two colors, orange and black. And I said, you know what, this is going to be fun, let's do something with it. And yep, I hope you do enjoy this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, do whatever you want to do so we can continue to grow, guys. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers. You're welcome to the family. So this is me just trying to arrange the Ankara, just make sure it sits properly, and yeah, I'm okay with the style, and then we're gonna go straight into the tutorial. So all you need to do is just to arrange your scarf the way you like it, and this is really pretty. And then I'm going to talk about a brand, the contact lens that I have on right now. In I think this is green, and this is the TTD eye contact lens. I think it came in about, I have like 6 or 7 different shades, and I'll also be talking about the Juvia's Place box that I got, but that will be in a separate video. So I also did use most of their products. Okay, so I'm done with my brows. I'm just gonna go in to conceal my eyes, and then set it, and then we start doing this look. Okay. It's because it's an Ankara inspired look. I'll be using the colors that I have on the scarf to create the eyeshadow look. And the colors I have on the scarf is black and orange and a little bit of white, but the white is not so very obvious. So I'll be going into the Juvia's Place palette, and that palette is called the Norman by Novias, and I went in with this really beautiful orange color as my transitioning color. Then I went in to this beautiful palette also by Juvia's Place. This is the Nubian by Juvia's Place, and I went in with like a more like a deep wine color, on top of the other shade that I had, just to build that up. Then make sure you blend and blend and blend, guys. Guys, I decided to go into this Juvia's Place lip stain. It's soy, and it's a soy matte lip stain, just to make sure that the eyeshadow pops even more. And I'm just gonna keep blending and blending and blending. Then I went back into the Nubian by Juvia's eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the shade called Morocco. It's a bright orange shade. I'm just putting that on the areas where I or initially applied the lip stain on, just to make sure it stays. Then I went back again into the Nomad by Juvia's Place eyeshadow, the same shade I used initially as a transitioning color, and to blend that in very well. And for my eyeliner, I decided to go in with the Inglot eyeliner gel in 77, and that's the same thing that I use to line my waterline, as you'd see in the video. I'm done with the eyeliner. I decided to go back into the same bling that I used for the Alicia Keys inspired video. I'm gonna leave the link there if you haven't seen that one, so you can go check that one out as well. And the mistake I made was I actually did apply this bling so close to my eyelashes line, so it was a little bit difficult to fix my lashes, but I just had to lift it up a little. It was dry, but so you can see the lines of my lashes when I'm done fixing my lashes. Like, so if you want to do this, please make sure you fix your lashes first, or you move the links up a little bit so it doesn't disturb your, your lashes. Okay. So for my skin, I decided to go in with the Facile Skin Tone Blur Perfecting Primer Serum. And yep, that's this is the only thing that I use on my face, just a little bit of it, blend that into my skin. And then I went into the Juvia's stick foundation in the shade Jacmel and applied this all over my face. And to highlight my face because I don't want it so bright, I decided to go in with the Addis Ababa, still the same Juvia's stick foundation. And to contour, I went in with the shade Sokoto just to contour my face. And then you blend everything, make sure it's smooth, blend it very well, let it sink into your skin, and you are good. So now that you're done blending everything, to set the highlighter or the stick foundation that I use as the highlighter, I decided to go in with Juvia's Place setting powder in white sands and just set everywhere I applied the highlighter on initially. So just set everything and then you blend everything out. Then for the contour, I decided to go in with my Maybelline contour powder and just to set that as well. So to add more definition, I'm going back into the same eyeshadow palette, the Nubia eyeshadow palette, and the shade Morocco on the just under my waterline, and try to blend that out in. Then I went in with this beautiful blush by Juvia's Place called Bella. It is so beautiful, and also blend that into my skin. For the highlighter, I went in with the Juvia's Place Baked Highlighter, the Heroine Glow one. And this is also very beautiful, guys. This highlighter is thebomb.com. Can you see that glow? Can you see that glow? I know you can see it. I know. So I decided to line my lips using this lip pencil by Processor in the shade Golden Brown, and also went in with a darker shade in the shade brown. Then I went in with this Maybelline pencil in 373. It's a nude shade color, and topped the look with a lip gloss, and I was done, guys. This look is actually very, very, very pretty. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching to this point. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video. Bye guys.